anniversary and batch reunion. Woo! Standing here tonight and seeing all of you feels incredibly humbling. 20 years ago, we were classmates sharing classrooms, unaware of how life would unfold. And yet, here we are, brought together again.
What a great big world, what a wild ride, what a grand adventure, this beautiful.
As we look back on the past 20 years, we recognize that our journeys have not all been the same. We thank God for sustaining us, guiding us, and blessing us in ways seen and unseen.
It's calling, this beautiful.
We are also deeply grateful for the people He placed in our lives during our formative years, especially our teachers who are with us tonight.
Thank you. We appreciate all of you, our teachers, for raising us with tough love. Kasi kami nga kaya rin, kapungan niya yung kami nga tao.
Cheers for another 20 years!
What a great big world, what a wild ride, what a grand adventure, this beautiful. I'm chasing the magic, with a rush of the light. I'm on it, it's calling, this beautiful.
Naimbang arabi kayo aming batchmate. Nandamayan ang naragsak kayo aming nagkakadwag. Amok na ikitaon dayat yan po. Kaya aduda kiti saan ko nakapulpulapul ka na kayo. Yamda kayo, batchmates. Ken aming malipod iti pag-iskolaan. Ket napatet apaset ti panagdaliasan kilag ko. Sapay ko ma, kamataan kayo ginaragsak a panagkakadwag.
On behalf of Class 2001 Elementary and Class of 2005 High School, I would like to express our limitless and heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for believing in us, even when we doubted ourselves. We are proud to return to our roots and celebrate this special occasion with you, with gratitude and with love.
All control, so good, good with me, baby. Let's move our hearts like crazy.
Niragsak nila makita kayo na successful kayo iti ati niya mga endeavors you undertakings you tibiyan. Thank you very much. Nalagip na kami. Talagang you exalted us, your teachers. All praises. Kaya kayo pinagpala. It is because you know how to look back.
So good, good with me, baby. Let's move our hearts like crazy.
Hello batchmates, it's me Romar. Congratulations on our 20th anniversary.
Kumusta kayo amin?
Sapay kumata na nakaradkad kay amin kita.
Hello, batchmates! Kumusta kayo ditan? Madamag dita po. Happy reunion.
Wishing everyone a continued success and good health. Take lots of photos and have fun.
We gather in this Holy Eucharist to ask God's blessings, graces, and good health for our families, but most especially the success or joyful of our reunion class today.
I am delighted with Father President and your teachers to offer this Holy Eucharist for your reunion class, batch 2001 grade school and 2005 High School.
Today, as we come together for your batch reunion, we not only celebrate the joy of seeing each other again, but also the gift of belonging to one family. So in this season, when we honor the feast of the Holy Family, we are reminded that our alma mater has nurtured us in the same spirit of faith, love, and unity that defined the home of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
First of all, we would like to thank the community of Sitio Baybayatin, Lagayan. Tidmi dagitoy sagot iti Batchmi, and of course iti provincial government of Abra, idadalwa dagugtakik ken ni Vice Governor Ann Bersamin. So po, sudapay iti napigsa arason no apay nga nakaala kami iti give packs para po kanyayo.
Nakasursuerte kami ta nagdidiferensya nga nga atong personalidad yung may mang bisbisita kanyami dito'y Baybayatin. Kaya pagragsakan mi launay apo nga taga dito'y nga kumain na kami idandanunan apo iti regalo nga pagyamanan mi kada kayo. High School Batch 2005 ti Divine Word College of Banggit. Dagiti kakailyan mi dito'y amok nga ti panagyaman damot lang kada kayo ket aglaplakusanan.
Dati nga reunion apo classmate, batchmates, para kanyayo. Nilestro kayo, nilestrado. Kasi, part kayo ti Biagping, awang kayo, awang